Hello everyone. Well, as you can see, I got another box in front of me. So what can this be? Well, I guess we're gonna find that out. And first things first, as you can see, I covered my address and the seller's address because I don't want you guys stalking me or the seller. So yeah. Anyway, let's get into it. So first things first, got my scissors. So let's see if I can do this while holding the camera. Okay, I guess I can. And I think that's, yeah. Yeah, sorry about my terrible camera work. There we go. And yes, I am a wicked Patriots fan, which we're going to the Super Bowl, so I'm very excited about that. So, go Pates. That's to the side. So, what do we have? Well, we have a lot of bubble wrap. And here's the device itself. So what's inside? Well, get all this out of the way. Here it is. This is a system sensor mass non-ADA. As you can see, it's not ADA because it has the frosted strobe, whereas the ADA version would have a ADA compliant strobe. And this is actually my second one of these devices, because the first one I have it is just the horn only, no strobe, whereas this one has the strobe. So now the only other one I need now is the ADA version, but I'm not really in much hurry to get that. So anyway, here's the rating sticker. So as you can see, it's model SS-12, 12 volts DC. So yeah, I'm pretty happy to have this device. I've always wanted one of these. So what I'll do is wire it up and we'll have a quick demonstration of it. Alright, so I got the device wired up, so we'll do a quick test here in 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah, that is actually pretty loud. And judging by that tone, I think it's high-low if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, but I will say for a non-ADA, the strobe's actually pretty bright. So yeah, not too bad. So that was just a quick unboxing and test of my new system sensor mass. So that's all I got for today. If you enjoyed, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.